How to send Ethereum to zksync mainnet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, in order to do it, you need to add zksync era mainnet on your MetaMask account. Otherwise, you won't be able to see your funds. So it's better to do it. So for that, just simply open up chain list, make sure that you are opening up the authentic one, then search for zksync over here. Then click on add to MetaMask and it will be added to your MetaMask. This is how it will look like. Now we need to search for zksync era. After that, click on this first link and open it up. This is where it will lead you to. Over here, we need to first bridge our Ethereum mainnet with zksync era in order to transfer our Ethereum. So just connect your MetaMask wallet over here, and after that type the amount that you want to transfer, and after that you will be able to send that particular Ethereum to zksync era mainnet. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.